Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Jowa Makinay. And today we'll be reviewing the TG F1 by CQB Club at Lazada. You can find the link in the description. Based from checking most of the online shops, this is the cheapest entry-level unit that is also compatible with upgrade parts. Well, mostly upgrade parts. This is an all nylon construction. Nylon, nylon, which makes it very nice. It has also although it does have an ABS gearbox, so upgrading this to a higher springs is not recommended. This comes with a plastic also flush hider. Well, mostly it's plastic. So it doesn't have a built-in hop up, so I developed a custom suppressor hub for this one for more range. This has trades, but oh, Tianggong also here trades on the grip, but also Tianggong. So, well, trades is trades. It has a working safe, semi, oops, and full auto. It also has a magazine prime, which is amazing for, you can get it for 1,500, so it's amazing. It has again, a blowback, but again, useless for me. As you can see, the ABS gearbox and the plastic nozzle. This has the usual battery at the tube, a usual 7.4 battery. Oops. And the good thing with this one is it has a nice translucent, not totally transparent, magazine, so you can see the contents, and you can combine them without it's using somewhat similar to the SIG version. It has a notch on the magazine which helps you combine the mags easily, so you can do change easily. Very nice. The weight, since this is all plastic construction, it weighs, I think, a kilo or less. Probably more than a kilo, because everything is plastic. Even the sides are plastic, so it's okay. Even the colored barrel is also plastic. Can you see it? It's there. See, colored barrel, still plastic. This ranges, the FPS is on this one is from 190 to 200, so it's also good. It has a long barrel, so the range is also okay. The price at 1,500. Oops, 1,500. I have it on sale during that time I've used vouchers in Lazada. I got it for 1,500, so it's very nice for its price. And in the future, when you upgrade, the mags can be transferred to a different unit. So it has double purpose. Oh, this is also compatible with Gen 8 mags. Gen 8, the SLR types. Okay. You can hear the fan. Oops. Custom PDX. Okay. So, Again, for 1,500, it's a good starter unit for your child. Uh, and if it breaks, it's okay. You still have a mag. And some of the parts are very compatible with the usual upgrade parts. So somewhat the gears, the piston body, I think the cylinder head is all the same. The gearbox is different. Yeah, I tried using the uh, Gen 8 metal magazine. It's the holes are different here and here, so it doesn't fit. So overall, this is now the best beginning unit. The next is also the ARP9. Uh, for its price, it's unbeatable. Uh, and with a hop up, the range will be okay, and can compete with other, let's say, higher pricier units. So if you want to give someone an entry level unit, this is okay already. If you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, put it down in the comment sections below and I will answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!